Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be unboxing and giving you my first impressions of this brand new handset from a company called EKSA. I've never tried them before. Their team approached me and they said if I could review and have a quick look on this new pair of headphones. It's the model E5 they have recently launched, so I thought let's give it a try. It had some good features on it, so worth a try and see how this goes. So as you can see on the top on the box it says EKSA.net. It comes with an extended 24 months warranty, of course, if you register for free along with your email. And they are obviously active noise cancelling, which is quite a common trend these days. But the main war in these headphones, especially this category of over the ears, two things. Firstly, how good is the active noise cancellation, and secondly, how long do they last in terms of battery life. So looking at the back of the box, this where it explains the core features along with how long these headphones last. As you can tell, charging time 3.5 hours, input of 5 volt, so good decent power, along with 40 hours on ANC, which is obviously active noise cancellation, along with the Bluetooth on together. They'll give you a total of 40 hours. Time 2 includes 60 hours Bluetooth only. A lot of people obviously don't like active noise cancellation being switched on, so if you keep it off, it will give you 60 hours on one charge, which is simply fantastic. And if it's only ANC on and no Bluetooth, that means you got the wired connection. I think it comes with a 3.5mm cable as well. Then you are looking at 154 hours of total time, and that's why I thought let's give this a try. Let's get the team to send me a reviews unit and see how this is like. Even the Bluetooth range is 10 meters, which is way more than the average of around 5 to 6 meters, and everything else that comes along. Obviously it tells you different indicator lights when you're charging or you're fully charged, repaired. We will be testing that in just a moment once we get the headphones out. But for now, in the box you get one pair of E5 headphones, a carry case, Bose-like style, I like that, airplane adapter, especially for those who travel internationally a lot. This can be a very handy adapter. One USB-C to 3.5mm audio cable. As you know, lots of phones these days, they don't have any headphone jacks anymore, and that's why if you have a USB-C, for instance like a Samsung Galaxy S20, or for instance the Sony Xperia 5, which I've got here as well, this is the one we will connect in just a moment. As you can see, these phones don't have a 3.5mm jacks anymore, so you can use the Type-C cable to actually connect it to the pair of headphones along with 3.5mm jack cable. One USB-C. I'm liking this USB-C, but lots of phones, lots of sample units that I've received from China. This is the first time I'm seeing anybody using a Type-C adapter and a Type-C charging cable. One into user guide and safety instructions. So there we go guys, and like I said to you before, EKSA.net. I will also leave the links down below from Amazon UK, from where you can purchase them as well, so should you wish to have a quick look. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly open the box up. Open the box up, there we go. We get this nice pouch. This reminds me when I bought my Bose headphones a couple of years ago. They had a similar pouch. It's got a very nice matte smooth finish to it. It looks absolutely brilliant and world class. And I tell you what, these headphones cost less than half the price of what an average Bose pair of headphones will cost. There we go. So once you open the pouch up, sorry, all the stuff is falling out. There's obviously a lot in it. Value for money, that's what I call it guys. Value for money. Well done EKSA. Okay, so you get these user manual, all the paperwork, then you get this warning instructions, of course, all the codes for all the helplines, the 2-year warranty, the extended warranty we spoke about. So you scan this to your phone, go onto the Play Store and stuff or whatever, and then get this registered. You must do that guys, because you're getting extended 24 months, meaning 2 years of peace of mind. Time to get the headphones out. I like this stretchable band, which obviously keeps it well protected. There we go. So quite nice. And again, once again, as you can tell guys, everything is so nicely packed. Even though I haven't used them so far, but it's the customer services, it's the way a company would present their product, which is fantastic, and I'm liking that already so far. Okay, so that is the first impressions, if not the quality of the sound, obviously, which we will test in in the next few days to come, and you can obviously ask me in the comments down below how good is the sound quality. I'll also be giving a review on Amazon UK, guys, so you can engage with me as well there. So overall, I like the quality. Is well made, solidly made. Obviously then you can extend it as well, which is quite nice. There you go, both the left and the right hand side. And as you can tell, inside is so easy to see the air cups labeled as L and R, obviously left and right. A lot of times, you know, even the big makers, the big brands, they put them somewhere here, and it's always a bit difficult to find, whereas I like this approach more big and bold right inside the ear cups, the soft ear cups, and it can be very easily visible to even people with wearing glasses. And to be honest, looking at this with the foam as well is quite comfortable, very nice. I quite like it. Everything seems so well built and so solid. It's quite nice, and you can rotate them as well, you can tell. And from the top it says here EKSA, which is quite nice. Labeling, marketing, overall quality seems very nice. So far so good. So looking on obviously the left cup here, this is where you got your ANC, the active noise cancellation button. So if you press it, there you go, it turns green, and that's what the box said. Once you press it green, that means your active noise cancellation is now on. So pressing again, that will switch it off. And then also this is where your volume buttons are, along with a Type-C. Thank you EKSA for Type-C. Lots of Chinese OEMs who sent me their headphone samples. Almost all of them had the older USB, the micro USB. So I'm very happy to see Type-C. That means I won't have to get a separate cable only for my headphones to be charged up. I can use my conventional phone USB charging cables to charge my headphones. So this is the power button, I guess. So if you press it, it should turn blue in a while. There we go. So this is now switched on. When it says blue and red, that means it is now ready for pairing with any of your smartphones. So now let's quickly hook it up to my Sony Xperia 5. So this is my Sony Xperia 5. So let's turn the phone on, get the fingerprint up and running, and let's get into settings. And from here, and Bluetooth settings, from here we should, because the headphone is in pairing mode, so I will leave it there for a while. So now let's get into pair a new device. There we go. And now this should pick up the EKSA headphones. So there you go, EKSA E5 straight away. And you can tell, guys, on the headphones you can see the light blue and red flashing. So once you tap on EKSA, there we go, it says pairing, and that should pair within the next few seconds. There we go. All this, forget the news, sorry. That's the breaking news for the coronavirus, the COVID-19 times we live in. So allow access to your contacts and call history. Yes, please. That means the headphones will announce when there's an incoming call. Pairing, there we go. Connected. I can hear the voice assistant inside telling me that it is connected. Active, 80% of battery outside without even charging it, so at least it gives you plenty of time to test the headphones and see how good they sound. So guys, in the next few days I will be testing these headphones to see how good is the sound quality. EKSA says they are very bassy, very punchy. I like the chroming here as well, a bit of chroming on the left and right hand side, which is quite nice. And again, you got some, say it says made in China. Again, China is obviously booming these days, but thanks to Trump, he's obviously making life slightly difficult for the Chinese to really flourish. By the way, in the case we still got something else which I didn't check, which I think are the cables. So let's open this up. That should be your the 3.5 jack, the USB type jack, and everything else. So let's open this up. There we go. So this is obviously the plain adapter we spoke about. If you are an international traveler, this can be a very handy device. Obviously it doesn't charge, it only connects your phone to your 3.5 and all your other connections along with this. So now this is the obviously the Type-C USB cable, and here this is your Type-C to 3.5mm jack. And what I was telling you earlier regarding that was also all of you people out there who have still got 3.5mm high-end quality headphones which you don't want to give away, you can always plug this cable into your phone just like that, and then you can hook up your 3.5mm headphone jack to your headphones and then listen to music like this, even if you haven't got a 3.5 jack on your phone. Again, very handy. So guys, that's pretty much it from me for now, reviewing this EKSA headphones. Model is obviously E5. I quite like it so far. I will be testing them, like I said, in the next few days and weeks to come. Please ask me in the comment section in a few days time, and maybe in the next 24 to 48 hours I would have tested them already, so please do ask. Also, I will leave a written review on Amazon UK, so you can always go there and have a look, same as my other social media sites, Jay the Android Freak on Amazon UK. So guys, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section, and like always, please subscribe as it helps, and I shall see you in the next video.